A gut infection can keep mice lean. Vertical line nutrition. Vertical line science news. Subscribe. Archives register. Log in. Atom cosmos. Body brain. Earth. Environment. Genes cells. Humans. Life. Matter energy. Molecules. Science society. Other. ESN Kids. 09 vertical line 21 vertical line 13 issue. Contents collision course. Scientists struggle to make windows safer for birds. The tune wreckers. Lousy singers make the pitch for scientific relevance. Subscribe. Give a gift. Renew. RSS feeds. Email alerts. Digital edition. Podcast. Past issues. Read articles, including science news stories written for students, on the SNK website. Contents. Alien cart leap onto the scene. Invasive fish break people's bones and threaten native species. Video games. When Granddad wins. With some practice, people over 60 bested untrained 20-year-olds meet the new meat. Scientists made a hamburger without harming animals, but it cost as much as a house. Home flash news. A gut infection can keep mice lean. Bacteria can invade one rodent from another, preventing both from getting fat. By Megan Rosen. Web edition, September 5, 2013. A+A, text size. Bacteria can invade one rodent from another, preventing both from getting fat. By Megan Rosen. Web edition, September 5, 2013. Skinniness could be contagious. Gut bacteria from thin people can invade the intestines of mice carrying microbes from obese people. And these invaders can keep mice from getting tubby, researchers report in the September 6 Science. It's very surprising, says molecular microbiologist Andreas Schwiertz of the University of Gießen in Germany, who was not involved in the work. It's like a beneficial infection. But the benefits come with a catch. The invading microbes drop in and get to work only when mice eat healthy food. Even fat-locking bacteria can't fight a bad diet, suggests study leader Jeffrey Gordon, a microbiologist at Washington University in St. Louis. In recent years, researchers have collected clues that suggest that gut microbes can tweak people's metabolism. Fat and thin people have different microbes teeming in their intestines, for example. And normal weight mice given microbes from obese mice pack on extra fat, says co-author Vanessa Rytera, also of Washington University. These and other hints have led researchers to experiment with fecal transplants to flush out bad gut microbes and dump in good ones. The transplants can clear up diarrhea and may even help some obese people regain insulin sensitivity. But feces can house dangerous microbes as well as friendly ones. We want to make therapies that are more standardized and more appealing, says gastroenterologist Josbert Keller of the Haga Teaching Hospital in The Hague, Netherlands. Scientists are trying to pinpoint helpful gut microbes and figure out how diet guides their role in metabolism. Gordon, Rytera and colleagues transplanted fecal microbes from obese and lean human twins into mice lacking gut bacteria of their own. Within 2 weeks, mice that received bacteria from obese people started to put on fat. Mice given bacteria from lean people stayed slim. Next, the researchers wondered if the microbes could travel between animals and stake out new territory. So the team housed together mice carrying microbes from lean people with mice carrying microbes from obese people. We called it the Battle of the Microbiota, Gordon says. Microbes from lean people won. The organisms claimed space in the guts of mice carrying microbes from obese people. What's more, the invaders kept their new hosts from putting on weight. The findings sparked a question about humans. If microbes from thin people can jump between animals and prevent pudginess, Gordon asks, why isn't there an epidemic of leanness? The answer is diet, diet, diet. Gordon's team drew that conclusion after repeating the microbiota battle, this time feeding both types of mice a high-fat, low-fiber diet based on American eating habits. On this diet, lean people microbes seem to protect mice from getting chubby. Mice with these bacteria gained less weight than did mice with obesity microbes. But when researchers caged the two types of mice together, lean microbes were no longer able to invade the guts of mice carrying obesity microbes. And without these invaders, mice couldn't stave off fat gain. The findings underscore the gut microbiota's important but limited role in metabolism, Gordon says. It's not the only cause of obesity, but it is a contributor. And a bad diet can't